Imagine a key so powerful that it can unlock doors to every corner of the world, yet you can't touch it, see it, or hold it in your hands. That key is the English language. This is the story of a young boy from a small, quiet village, where big dreams often fade into silence, and where English felt like an enemy. He loved stories, loved learning, but whenever English appeared on a page or in a classroom, it felt like facing a wall, cold, confusing, and impossible to climb. He failed every English test. He mumbled when asked to speak. He avoided eye contact when the teacher asked questions in English. To him, the language was a monster made of complex grammar and strange-sounding words. He never imagined that this foreign language would one day become his greatest weapon. One day, everything changed. He saw a scholarship advertisement online, an opportunity to study abroad. His heart raced as he imagined flying on planes, meeting people from around the world, living his dream. But then came the crushing realization: the application required an essay in English and an interview, also in English. For a moment, he gave up. But then a voice inside him whispered, "Try." That whisper turned into a fire. He began learning English like his life depended on it. Every day, he set a routine: 30 minutes of listening, 30 minutes of reading, 15 minutes of speaking aloud, even if just to himself. He watched English movies with subtitles. He listened to podcasts, read children's books, then novels, slowly building up his strength. He mimicked accents, recorded his voice, corrected his mistakes. It was awkward, slow, and often discouraging, but he never stopped. A year later, he applied again. This time, he wasn't afraid. He wrote his essay with confidence, telling his story with raw honesty. In the interview, he spoke not perfectly, but passionately. And when the acceptance letter arrived, he cried. Not because of the scholarship alone, but because he knew he had unlocked the door himself. The key had been within him all along. That one door led to many more. He traveled, studied, and made friends from 5 different continents. He spoke on stages, led group projects, shared his culture, and understood others. English was no longer a subject, it was his bridge to the world. It had connected him to knowledge, opportunity, and friendship beyond anything he imagined. Years later, he returned to his village, not just as a success story, but as a mentor. He now teaches English to the children who remind him of himself. And he tells them this isn't just a language. It's a passport, a superpower, a bridge to a better life. So, if you feel stuck, unsure, or afraid of speaking in English, start with one word, read one book, watch one video, speak one sentence. Because English isn't just grammar and vocabulary. It's the invisible key that unlocks global success. Every word you learn builds a door, and every door leads to a new world. Story Fluent.